Hey guys, welcome back to Installer's Assistant. Today I'm working on a Fiat Ducato. It's a motorhome and I need to replace the front speaker. So this is probably one of the easiest and simplest ones to get to. I still need my trusty 4140 pry tool and a Phillips screwdriver. You ready? This does not have to come off, unlike a lot of door cards. Only this little piece in here. So I can pretty much find any loose little spot, put my pry tool in and work it out. And you'll find once you've made one clip, there's another one there, one here, there's another one up there, there's another one down the bottom, and just work your way around and the whole thing will unclip. That's it. Yeah, get rid of the speaker remnants. Okay, two at the bottom, one on the side, two up here, two down here, and the whole thing is just pressure fitted in with clips. I told you it was easy. Little screwdriver, sure a lot of you will have stopped watching by now. I mean, 3 screws, how hard can it be? But you never know, might be some surprise at the end of this video. Alright, 3 screws out, and out it comes. Speaker clip is just a little tab at the top here, and push it in, and it should just pull straight out. Alright, as you can see, the speaker is shot. You can see right through the cone. That is not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be filled in. And when you listen to it, horrible. And that's why we're replacing it. Anyway, that's it. There is no surprise at the end of the video. Sorry. If you want to see how the speaker is mounted, watch the next one. Until then, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the channel. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.